In the lush rainforests of Southeast Asia, a fascinating rivalry unfolds between the Malayan tapir and the Sambar deer. Both are herbivores, but their foraging habits often clash. The tapir, with its distinctive snout, uses its keen sense of smell to root out hidden fruits and tender leaves, while the Sambar deer, agile and swift, grazes on the same vegetation. During the dry season, when food is scarce, competition intensifies. The tapir's size gives it an advantage in reaching higher foliage, but the sambar's speed allows it to quickly escape when threatened. This battle for survival shapes their behaviors and habitats, reminding us of the delicate balance in nature. Each species plays a vital role in their ecosystem, and their rivalry is a testament to the intricate web of life in the rainforest.